The Huawei Pura 80 series is back in the spotlight, and this time, it's not about its sleek design or raw performance, but its impressive video shooting capabilities. Richard Yu, chairman of Huawei's Consumer Business Group, recently shared a video on his Weibo account that highlights just how powerful the Pura 80's camera truly is. In this video, Yu takes on one of the toughest challenges in videography: capturing fire. While it might sound simple, filming flames is notoriously tricky, even for high-end professional cameras. Fire isn't a single, solid color. It's semi-transparent, constantly moving, and its color changes based on temperature. The light it emits can also distort nearby objects, often causing issues like overexposure or loss of detail. Typically, when shooting fire, photographers have to manually adjust settings like brightness, exposure, and angles to get a usable shot. But according to Richard Yu, none of that is necessary with the Pura 80 series. He explained that the device can automatically record fire with stunning accuracy and realism, no manual tweaks required. Yu backed up his claims by showing a short video clip recorded with the Pura 80, and the results were genuinely impressive. The flame appeared clean, detailed, and perfectly balanced. You could clearly see the distinct layers within the fire, with the colors coming through naturally, neither too bright nor washed out. No overexposure, no lost textures, just a crisp, well-executed capture. It's a clear sign that Huawei has made serious progress in video performance with this latest flagship. This is great news for content creators and casual video makers alike. Whether you're recording around a campfire, filming fireworks, or shooting in bright, uneven lighting, the Pura 80 promises to deliver high-quality, well-balanced footage with accurate colors and sharp details. While this particular video didn't focus on showcasing the phone's design, subtitles and Richard Yu's hand gestures conveniently covered most of the back, many fans on Weibo believe he was using either the Pura 80 Pro or Pro Plus model. From what little we could see, the device appeared to have a large display with subtle micro-curved edges and a premium-looking metal frame. The phone was shown in a striking rose-red color, matching earlier leaks of the Pura 80 Pro Plus, adding fuel to the speculation. Though the full design remains under wraps for now, it seems likely we've caught an early glimpse of the Pro-level variants in action, and this small but effective demonstration has already generated plenty of excitement among Huawei fans. The Pura 80 series isn't just about refining smartphone photography, it's raising the bar for mobile videography, especially in situations that would typically demand professional gear. Huawei's making it clear that you don't need to be a seasoned videographer or carry bulky equipment to capture incredible videos. Whether you're filming a cozy bonfire, a birthday celebration, or everyday moments, the Pura 80 makes those shots look vivid, smooth, and beautifully detailed. As we await the official unveiling of the device, one thing is obvious: the Pura 80 series isn't just another flagship phone. It's a bold statement about what smartphones can achieve in video recording, and so far, it's delivering in style. Stay tuned. We might be just hours away from seeing the full design, and if it's anywhere near as impressive as its camera capabilities, Huawei could be setting a whole new standard for smartphones in 2025.